Last class I explained about maximum shear force, how to find maximum shear force when there are a series of loads. Today we will see how to find maximum bending moment when there are series of loads. Under maximum bending moment there are two cases you have to consider. The first case is maximum bending moment at a given section, other one is maximum bending moment under the given load. So first we will see how to find maximum bending moment at a given section. Okay, so what happens, maximum bending moment at a section of the beam will occur when the load system is so placed such that the average load on the left segment is equal to the average load on the right segment. So it says like that, average load on the left segment is equal to the average load on the right segment. Actually with point load it is rarely possible that average load on the left segment is exactly equal to the average load on the right segment, but it is very rarely happens. Actual load, average load on the left segment is equal to average load on the right segment. Usually what happens, the loading will be such that either left segment is heavier or right segment is lighter, or right segment is or right segment is heavier and left segment is lighter, or vice versa. Like that it happens. So it never happens like average load on the left segment is exactly equal to average load on the right segment. It usually either left segment is heavier, right segment is lighter, or left segment is lighter and right segment is heavier. This thing, like this you have to think. Okay, so we will solve one problem, you'll understand. So the wheel loads shown in figure rolls over a beam of span 10 meter. Find the maximum bending moment at a given section 4 meter from the left end. So this is the problem given of span 10 meter and section is at a distance of 4 meter from the left end. Okay, so first you have to see which load you have to place at the section to get the maximum bending moment. For that you have to use this formula. What is that? Load crossing the section means this, suppose if you are considering this load, this is your load, that is the load crossing the section. Next, total left side load on total left side load. Total left side load means this is your left side load and all this comes under right side. So now total left side load is 200 divided by x. Section is at what distance? It is given at 4 meter. So divided by 4. Calculate what is that. Next, total right side load means this is left side load, no? All these loads comes on right side. So that is 150 plus 300 plus 90 divided by L minus x. L is 10. 10 minus x, that is equal to 6. Okay, see now which one is higher value? This is 50, this is 90, this is more. So now this is the left segment. Now this is the right segment, this is the left segment. So here we can conclude that, we can say the remark that left segment is lighter, right segment is heavier. What we have to get, we started from this left side, so always left side segment should become heavier. Then you can conclude that you can place that load at the section. Okay, now here this is 50, this is 90, so this is less value, so left segment is lighter, so this is not possible. Okay, then go to the next load. What is next load? 150 kilonewton. Now what happens, this is left side. Here this 200 is there plus 150 divided by x. X is 4. See what is that. Then right side load. Now only two loads are there on right side, because this still here, this is left side. Your second load is considered 150. So now right side loads are 300 plus 90 divided by L minus x. So 65. Which is higher now? Left side is more, so that is heavier. So you can conclude that this is possible, means you have to place 150 kilonewton load at the section to get maximum bending moment. See one thing I will tell you. So now we are here. Usually what happens, you select the load W1, W2, W3, W4 based on the loads moving from left to right or right to left. Suppose if if it is moving from left to right, this is the first load, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. So it is not mentioned here which side to which side. So you can consider this as the W1, this is W2, this is W3, this is W4. Or if it is mentioned also in this type of problem, you can take it from this side only, no problem. Okay, W1, W2, W3, W. Whatever you consider, that side should become heavier. Always you think like that. You can take it from this side also. You can consider 90 kilonewton also. But this is right side. Then you have to see right side segment should be higher. Means it should have more value. Okay, so in order to avoid confusion, you always consider from the left side, and you see when the left side segment becomes more value, take that value. Okay, so now this is heavier, so you can conclude that 150 kilonewton load at the keep 150 kilonewton load at the section to get maximum bending moment. So now you draw simply supported beam of 10 meters span. Okay, this is of 10 meters span AB, and the section is located at a distance of 4 meter. It is told here 4 meter, so remaining is 6 meter. So AX is 4, XB is 6. Okay, now you have to place 150 kilonewton load at the section, so the other 200 comes this side and 390 to the right of this 150 kilonewton. So inside this distance has to be same. Okay, 200 to 150, the distance is 0.8, 150 to 300 1 meter, and 300 to 90 it is 1.2. so then remaining what, this is total 4.8 is here, so this is 3.2. And here also total 6, 1 plus 1.2, 2.2. So the remaining distance is 3.8. This you have to draw. After that you name it. This is AB, X, then C, D, E. Okay, then you find what is the maximum bending moment. How? First you have to find this ordinate value. So consider first left portion, that is AX. So means unit load is in between A and X. So what is bending moment at X now? I consider this side. Unit load is here. So I consider this side. What is that? Plus RB into this 6 meter. So RB into 6. What is RB? RB is Y divided by L into 6. So next find at different points. What is at A? Y is equal to 0. So substitute in this, you get 0. Next at C. What is Y? Y is equal to 3.2. So what is M? Moment at C. Substitute in this. Y is 3.2 divided by L is 10 into 6. So you get 1.92. Next at X. Y is equal to 4. You get, if you substitute in this equation, you get 2.4. Over left portion is done. AX is done. Next go to the next portion, that is XB. Means unit load is now in between X and B. Okay, so what is bending moment at X? So unit load is here. So consider this side. What is bending moment at this side? RA into 4. So RA into 4. What is RA? RA is L minus Y divided by L into 4. So next find at different points. What is that point? First point is at X. At X, Y is equal to 4. So at X, Y is equal to 4. Substitute in this, you get 2.4. Next at D. What is at D? Y is equal to now 4 plus 1, 5. So Y is equal to 5. So MX is substitute in this, you get 2. Next at E. What is Y now? Y is 6.2. 4 plus 1 plus 1.2. 6.2. So find at E 1.52. Next at B. Full distance. Y is equal to 10. So if you substitute in this, 10 minus 10 divided by 10 into 4, it is 0. So now you got all the values, ordinate ILD values. So draw that diagram. So what is that? At A 0, and at C it is 1.92, at C 1.92, at X 2.4. Left portion done. Next go to the right portion. At X it is 2.4. I said in the previous classes also, at the section you have to get the same value when you consider from the left side or you consider from the right side. At the section you have have to get the same bending moment value. So at X it is 2.4. Next at D, what is that? It is 2. Next at E, that is 1.52. Again at B, 0. So join the points, draw the line. This is ILD for bending moment. Now you can calculate what is a maximum bending moment. How it is? Load into this ordinate. So load multiplied by this ordinate. So maximum bending moment is equal to now 200 into 1.92 plus 150 into 2.4 plus 300 into this 2, 300 into 2 plus 90 into 1.52. So you get this answer. So this is the maximum bending moment. So this is the way to calculate maximum bending moment when there are series of load at the given section. Okay, so next we'll see how to find maximum bending moment under the given load. Okay, thank you.